looking at how to prepare for the corporate administration of your China business for 2024. Preparing for the corporate administration of your business in China for next year requires careful planning and compliance with Chinese regulations. China does have specific rules and regulations for businesses, and staying informed and compliant is crucial. So here we want to provide you with steps to help you prepare. One is review current regulations. You have to stay updated on the latest corporate regulations and policies in China. Regulations may change frequently, so it's important to stay up to date. Remember, knowledge is your power. Number two is assess your corporate structure. Evaluate your current corporate structure in China. Consider whether it still meets your business needs and whether any changes are required. The third is do a compliance check. Ensure that your business operations are in compliance with all local and national regulations. This includes tax compliance, employment regulations, environmental standards, etc. The fourth is legal support. Consult with a local legal expert or law firm who has the expertise in Chinese corporate law. They can help you navigate the legal requirements and obviously provide guidance on any necessary changes. One of the things that we focused on for 2023 was looking at the individual data protection laws and implementing SOPs, standard operating procedures, within our own organization. And we did that with the support of a legal firm. The fifth is financial audits. Conduct regular financial audits to ensure accurate reporting and compliance with tax regulators. Make any necessary adjustments based on your audit findings. The sixth is obviously tax planning. Develop a comprehensive tax strategy for 2024 that minimizes your tax liabilities while remaining in compliance with Chinese tax laws. Seek professional advice for this if you are not sure where to get started. Number 7 is HR and employment compliance. Now, ensure that your human resource practices are compliant with Chinese labor laws. This includes getting updated with your contracts. Do contracts have renewals? Do you have to look at probation periods? Are your contract terms coming to an end that you have to renew contracts? Look at working hours, benefits, employee rights, etc. Number 8 is looking at intellectual property protection. Remember that protecting your IP is fundamental for your business in China. It helps prevent counterfeiting, infringement, and allows you to do business with your brand. Number 9 is data protection and cybersecurity. Ensure that your data handling practices comply with China's cybersecurity and data protection regulations, which have all been revamped, and execute measures to protect that sensitive information. Number 10 is environmental compliance. Now, this does not pertain to every single company in China, but if your business has an environmental impact, ensure compliance with environmental regulators. Implement sustainable practices wherever possible. Number 11 is supply chain management. Review your supply chain and logistics to ensure they are sufficient and compliant with import-export regulations. Consider any potential disruptions that may occur. Number 12 is government relations. Now, I also want to emphasize on this point that it's not applicable to everybody. Depends what industry and sector that you are in. But you should have positive relations with local and national government authorities, ranging from the Ministry of Commerce to tax officers. I even include banks into this as well. This can help navigate regulatory issues, foster favorable business environments, and ease the complexities that do exist when doing business in China. Number 13 is crisis management plan. Develop a crisis management plan. That is exactly what COVID outlined to us. You have to outline steps to take in case of unforeseen challenges, such as legal disputes, economic downturns, natural disasters, etc. Number 14 is market research. You've got to continuously monitor the market to stay informed about trends, consumer preferences, and potential opportunities and threats. 15, communication and cultural sensitivity. Build strong relationships with your Chinese partners, employees, clients. Understand and respect Chinese culture and business etiquette. And if you have not been doing that in 2023, restart that in 2024. Revamp those relationships. Number 16 is legal documentation. Ensure that all contracts, agreements, documentation are up to date and compliant with Chinese law. 17, training and development. Invest in training and development programs for your employees to keep them informed about regulatory changes and best practices. And more importantly, about what updates are occurring within your own company practices and bylaws. And number 18, final one, contingency planning. All right, develop contingency plans for various scenarios, including changes in government policies, market conditions, economic downturns, etc. Remember that China's business environment can be complex and subject to change, so it's essential to be able to adapt and remain flexible in your corporate administration approach. Seek local expertise and stay vigilant in your efforts to ensure your business's success in China in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for listening.